Hello friends, my name is Sejal and today I'm sharing with you how I made sledge for Christmas. So this is a sledge I made, and if you want to see how I made it, please stay tuned. To make reindeer, I used the online available template from her tool belt. So it's a PDF, took the printout, and I'm cutting its head. For its body, there are two papers, so I'm cutting the excess border and then we'll glue from sellotape and then I'll cut it. For its legs also there were two papers, so cutting the excess part and then sticking them with tape. I cut all the body parts. Now I'm taking one foam board and tracing all the parts. After tracing all the parts, I cut them. Now I took this woolen cloth which I got from Walmart and cutting the pieces of it and sticking it to the legs and ears. And now I took this glittery cloth and cut it according to the horns of it and glued it on it. So these are the legs, ears and tail and the horn. I have added glittery cloth to its body. Now I'm sticking all the body parts together. I got this gemstone from Dollar Tree and taking one and using it as its eye. I got these decorative bells from Dollar Tree and this tinsel stem as well. Wrapping this decorative bells with the help of stencil stem around the neck of reindeer. So our reindeer is ready now. I repeated same steps and created one more reindeer. Now I'm starting to make sledge. So I attached two foam boards together and draw the shape of sleigh. I cut those pieces and repeated the same to make the other side of the sleigh. I will attach them all together like this to make the shape of side of sleigh. So I repeated it and made the other piece too. Now I'm taking this square piece and will glue it in the middle of these two pieces. Like this to make the seat of sleigh. Now I'm taking this garland, I got it from Walmart, and wrapping it around the border of the sleigh. I cut the glittery cloth and glued it to these three parts. and I'm gluing this silver tinsel garland to the base of it. So now our sleigh is ready, but still we need to add back. So I will cut one more part and will glue it to the back. I glued 2 decorative bells here too. I got them from Dollar Tree. So now our sleigh is ready too. Again, I'm taking this garland. I'm using this to attach the reindeer to the sleigh. So I'm using this Santa. I got it from Ollie's. So this is the final result. Our sleigh is ready. I attached the garland to the neck of reindeers and wrapped around the hand of Santa Claus with the help of stems. Hope you like this video. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you friends for watching. Take care. Bye bye.